morning, students. Today, next problem. Already before exercise 4.3 started. Okay, na? Now in this exercise, up to 4 sums completed. Okay, na? Next, the fifth sum, students. What is the fifth sum? See, once your textbook. See your textbook. Fifth sum is in the adjacent figure. M parallels to N. In the adjacent figure, M parallels to N, and A comma B are any 2 points on M and N respectively. Let C be any interior point between the lines M and N. Find angle ACB. Right? Angle ACB. I'll draw the figure first of all. See, students. This is C, this is X, this angle is Z, this angle is Y. This point is B, this point is A. This line M, line is N. See, students, this is figure M parallels to N. So these two lines are parallel lines. Here what is given? The two lines are parallel lines. Given that, what is the given data? Given that M parallels to N. M parallels to N. Okay, and A comma B are any 2 points. A comma B are any 2 points. A comma B are any 2 points on M and M comma N. Points on M line M and line N. Okay. Next, let C be an interior point. C's point is inside these two lines. Interior points. Okay, na? Point. Interior point between the lines M and N. C is point. Interior point. C is interior point. Interior point. Okay, na? Interior point. Find angle ACB. Find angle ACB. Angle ACB is equal to how much? Angle ACB, that means. Okay, na? You have to find this angle. That means the angle Z. Angle Z, you have to find the value. Okay, na? See, first of all, students. See here. We draw the one line. That line is parallel to M and N through C. One line is drawn. That line is parallel to M and N. M and N through C. See, students. C is another one line. This line is L we can take. Okay, na? Ma? This angle is A we can take. This angle is B we can take. This total angle is equal to Z. Okay, na? This part is equal to A. This part is equal to B. Okay, this part is equal to B. This part is equal to A. So this is L parallels to M and L parallels to N. This line L line is parallel to M and N through C. Okay, na? Draw a line right here. Draw a line. M parallels to M and N lines through C. Note down these points first of all. Okay, students. Okay, na? Okay. Okay, Nama. Okay. See, students, here once observe these two lines, that is M parallels to L. The two lines are parallel lines. Okay, na? So here parallel lines means this is this. Observe once observe this angle and this angle. Either side of the, this is the transversal. Either side of the transversal. So this is alternate interior. Both are interior or not? This is both are interior. So angle X is equal to angle A. Okay, na? X is equal to angle X is equal to A or A. Can write. Okay, na? And next these two lines. This one is here M parallels to L. Okay, na? Alternate interior angles, and this means, so first you write here this M parallels to L. Here alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, na? Next one is this one is, that is L parallels to N. L parallels to N. Here B is equal to what the value is Yn. Y is equal to angle Y is equal to B. Angle Y is equal to B. Angle Y is equal to B. Okay, na? This is also both are interior and alternate angles. So this is alternate angles are equal. So that is alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, na? From these two, angle X plus angle Y is equal to Z or not? What is the value of Z? Z is equal to A plus B. A plus B. What is the value of A? Z is equal to what is the value of A? A is equal to what is the value? A is equal to X plus B is equal to what is the value? Y. Therefore, Z is equal to X plus Y. The angle, therefore, Z means what is the value? That is angle ACB or not? Therefore, that means angle ACB is equal to Z. That is equal to X plus Y. X plus Y. Okay, na? Note down, friends. Okay. Okay, na? Okay, students. Okay, na? Understood? Next problem. Okay, na? Next problem is 8th sum. Okay, na? What is the 8th sum? See, figure is given. In the figure, the arrow heads segments are parallel. Find the value of X and Y. Here arrows is given. I will draw the figure. See. See, this is the figure. Find X and Y values. Here X and Y values. Once observe this figure. Okay, na? How to find Y value? First of all, here this line segment, one arrow is given. This line segment, one arrow is given. What do I mean? These two lines. That arrows means same side. That is what direction is there means that the two lines are parallel. The two lines are parallel. So this line is parallel to this line. So this line is parallel to this line. That means this is the transversal. This is the, and extend like this. Okay, na? And extend like this. Okay, this is the transversal. That is the transversal. Okay. So this line is parallel to this line. So this is transversal. Alternate interangles are equal or not? Yes, alternate interangles are equal. Okay na? Alternate interangles are equal. Here y is equal to given figure. Given that y is equal to what the value 59 degrees. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate either side of the cross, both are interior. So these two lines are parallel. This is the lines. These two angles are interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Next, once observe this is angle x, angle 60 degrees, x degrees and 60. This is the line. This is also line. So these two lines are parallel lines. This is exterior. This is interior. Same side of the transversal. Same side of the transversal. So corresponding angles. The corresponding angles, x degrees is equal to 60 degrees. So this is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay na? X is equal to 60 degrees, y is equal to 59 degrees. This is alternate interior angles are equal, y is equal to 59 degrees and x is equal to x degrees, here 60. These two both are same side of the transversal and one is interior, one is exterior. So these two are corresponding angles. The two are corresponding angles. Okay students? Okay. Now next problem is next problem. Okay students? Next problem students. See, ninth problem. In the figure, the arrowhead segments are parallel. Then find the value of x and y. Same method. Okay. Here also same, and this also same given. Find the values. Right. For example, see this is the value. This is the line is given. This is 1. This is the like this given, and this is x is degrees is given. This is 35 degrees is given. This is y degrees is given. This value is equal to 105 degrees. 105 degrees. This line segment, this is also line segment are parallel. Okay, na? That line segment and that line segment also parallel. This is the figure is given. See, this line is same before problem only. Before problem only. This line is parallel to this line means this is the interior angle, this is exterior angle. Okay, okay. So this is the transversal. This is the transversal. Okay, or like this extent, no problem. Okay, na? And like this. Okay, this is parallel to this line. Okay, na? That line is parallel to this line. So once see here, this is these two lines intersecting this point. This is this angle 105. What about this angle? This angle is also 105. Why? Because that is vertically opposite angles are equal. This is vertical opposite angles are or not? That is vertically opposite angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle. So this line is a straight line or not? This line is a straight line. You can take names here A, B. Line is here. You can take O. Okay. This is you can take P. Okay. Then this is Q. This is R. This is S. You can take names. Okay. See, this is AOB is a straight line or not? AOB is a straight line. And right here, the line segment, line segment AB, that is AB, line segment is AB. Angle AOB is a straight line. Okay, na? That straight line angle is equal to what the angle? A straight line. Straight line. So angle AOB is equal to what the angle? That is angle AOP. Angle AOP plus angle POQ plus angle BOQ is equal to 180 degrees. Straight line angle is equal to 180. You know. So AOP is equal to 35 degrees plus POQ is equal to what the value? POQ is equal to 105 degrees. 105 degrees plus angle BOQ is equal to what the value? Angle BOQ is equal to y degrees, that is equal to 180 degrees. Okay na? 35 degrees is angle AOP, this value is angle AOP 35 degrees plus 105 degrees plus y is equal to 180. So 35 plus 105, 35 plus 105 is equal to 140. 140 plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 140 take the side. Y is equal to 180 degrees minus 140 degrees. So y is equal to 40 degrees. Y is equal to 40 degrees. Okay na? Y is equal to 40 came. Okay na? Y value came. What about x value? So these two lines AP, see, AP parallels to QS. These two lines are parallel lines. The two lines are parallel. This is exterior, this is interior. So same side of the transversal. This is the transversal. Same side of the transversal. So corresponding angles are equal or not? Corresponding angles are equal. So angle X is equal to angle Y. Angle X is equal to what about angle Y? Y is equal to what again? 40 degrees. Okay. So therefore X is equal to 40 degrees and Y is equal to also 40 degrees. That is the problem. Okay na? Okay na students? This is okay. This is first of all vertical. This is 105 is given, 35 is given, here y is given, here x is given. Here first of all these two lines are intersect at one. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is 105. This also 105. So this is a straight line. This is the straight line means this angle is equal here. What is the angle of this total angle? 180. This is the straight line. 35 plus 105 plus y is equal to 180. 35 plus 105 plus y is equal to 180. 35 plus 105 is equal to 140 plus y is equal to 180. Y is equal to plus 140, take the side, minus 140. 180 minus 140. So y is equal to 40 degrees. So these two lines are parallel means this is interior, this is exterior. Same side of the transversal. So these two are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Angle x is equal to angle y. This is corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay na? Same side of the transfer. Angle x is equal to angle y. So angle x is equal to angle y. Angle x is equal to what is the value of angle y? Y is equal to 40 degrees. Angle x is equal to angle y. So x is equal to 40 degrees. Y is also x is equal to 40 degrees. Angle y is equal to 40 degrees. Okay na? Okay students. Okay na? Next problem. Now the problem. The figure is given. Find the value of x and y. The given figure. Okay na? This angle is equal to 65 degrees is given. This angle is equal to 52 degrees is given. This is 90. This angle is equal to 3y plus 5 degrees. This angle x degrees. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Okay na? Find the value of x and y. The name for it here. A, B, C, D is the trapezium. Okay na? On plane of opposite sides are parallel. See, first of all, in this, I have to find x and y values. This problem, I have to find x and y values. Once observe this figure, ABC is a triangle or not? ABC is a triangle. Sum of three angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees or not? That's 180. So this is 52 degrees, this is 90, this is 3y plus 5 degrees. So here only one variable is there. And find the y value. Okay? Okay, student. First of all, that is here what is given in triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? Sum of angles in a triangle is sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So here angle A plus angle B plus angle C are like this. Angle ABC plus angle BAC plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ABC here, B value here. What the value of here? The symbol is 90 degrees. plus this value angle BAC here 52 degrees plus what about the value 3y plus 5 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So 90 plus 52 is equal to 142 plus 3y plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3y plus 142 plus 5, what is the value? 147 is equal to 180 degrees. So 3y is equal to what is the value? 180 minus plus 147, the other side means 147 minus 147. 3y is equal to what is the value? 33 degrees. So y is equal to 33 degrees by 3. How many times? 11 times. So y is equal to 11 degrees. Y is equal to 11 degrees K. Y value. Okay na? Y value is 11 degrees K. Okay na? Y value is 11 is K. Here in also ACD also another triangle. Here what about this angle? This angle is equal to 90. Okay na? 90. Here 3y plus 5 is equal to what is the value? 3 into y value is 11 plus 5. Okay na? 3y plus 5 that is equal to 33 plus 5 that is equal to 38. This angle is equal to 38 degrees. Okay na? 3 into 11. What is 3 into 11 is equal to 33 plus 5. 33 plus 5 38. This angle is equal to 38. This total angle is equal to 90. Okay na? Here angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Here angle C means angle ACD plus angle ACB is equal to 90. So angle ACD, I define angle ACD is equal to, this value is, angle ACB is equal to 38 degrees plus 38 degrees is equal to 90. So angle ACD is equal to 90 minus 38 degrees. 90 minus 38 degrees. 90 minus 38 is equal to what is the value? 52 or not? 52 degrees. This is 52 degrees. This angle is equal to 52 degrees. Okay, once see. Okay, students. Okay. Okay, here this angle is equal to 52 degrees here. Okay, in triangle ACD is the sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180. Okay na? Angle ACD plus angle ADC plus angle CAD is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ACD is equal to 52 degrees plus angle DAC is equal to x degrees plus angle CAD is equal to 65 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So here 52 plus 65, what is the value? 50 plus 60, that is equal to 110, 107 degrees. Okay, 117 degrees. 117 degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 117 degrees. So x degrees is equal to what is the value? That is equal to 63 degrees. 63 degrees. Angle x is equal to 63 degrees and angle x is equal to 63 degrees and y is equal to 11 degrees. Okay na? Okay na students? Okay. Okay. Thank you students.